Hello students, welcome to our SPSPMs. Myself Srimati Pawar M.Y., Assistant Teacher from Shravanlal Modi Vidyalaya. Today we are going to study Standard 9 Subject English, topic name 3.3 To a Butterfly. In these sections we are going to take a look at the following points. First is introduction, second poet information, third stanza explanation, and fourth central idea of the poem. So let's see 3.3 To a Butterfly. The poem To a Butterfly has been written by William Wordsworth. The poem is about feeling of the poet when he sees the butterfly and the memories of his childhood that it reveals. प्रस्तुत कविता विल्यम वर्ड्सवर्थ यांची आहे. या कवितेत त्यांनी फुलपाखराला पाहिल्यावर त्यांच्या ताज्या झालेल्या आणि बालपणीच्या आठवणींचे सुंदर असे वर्णन या कवितेत केलेले आहे. First we see the whole poem, then its stanza will be explained. So let's see To a Butterfly. Stay near me, do not take flight. A little longer stay in sight. Must concern do I find in thee, historians of my infancy. Float near me, do not yet depart. Dead time renew in thee, though bringest gay creatures as thou art. A soulman imagines to my hearts my father's family. Oh, pleasant, pleasant, were the days, the time when in our childish play, my sisters, the Emilines, and I together chased the butterfly. A very hunter did I rush upon the prey, with lips and springs I follow on from beak to bush. But she, God's love her fear to brush the dust from off its wings. Stanza first. Stay near me, do not take flight. Stay near me, do not take thy flights, a little longer stay in sight. Much concern do I find in thee, historians of my infancy. Float near me, do not yet depart, dead time renew in thee, thou bringest gay creatures as thou art. A soulman imagines to my heart my father's family. In this first stanza, the poet requests to a butterfly, do not go anywhere, and ask it to stay with him. He tells the butterfly that he loves to talk with it and how it's remind the how it reminds the poets of his childhood days. He constantly asks the butterfly to stay near him as he wants to keep the memories of his childhood days live. The butterfly brings happiness to the poets by reminding him of good times that he spends with his family as a child. या पहिल्या कडव्यामध्ये कवी फुलपाखराला कुठेही न जाता जवळच राहण्याची विनंती करीत आहे. कवीला फुलपाखरू आणि त्याचे फडफडणारे पंख पाहण्याचा आनंद लुटायचा आहे. फुलपाखराच्या असल्यामुळेच कवीला त्याच्या बालपणाचे दिवस जपून ठेवता आले आहेत असे कवी म्हणतो. म्हणून जोपर्यंत कवी बालपणीचे दिवस आठवत आहे तोपर्यंत कवी फुलपाखराला त्याच्याजवळ राहण्यास सांगत आहे. अगदी लहान कीटक असूनही सुखवस्तू कुटुंबामध्ये राहणाऱ्या कवीचे मन हे फुलपाखरू स्वतःकडे आकर्षित करीत आहे. बालपणी आपल्या कुटुंबामध्ये आनंद उपभोगणाऱ्या कवीच्या जुन्या दिवसांशीही या फुलपाखराचे नाते जुळलेले आहेत. Stanza second. Oh, pleasant, pleasant, were the days, the time when in our childish play, my sister Emmeline and I together chased the butterfly. A very hunter did I rush upon the prey with lips and springs. I follow on from brake to bush, but she, God love her, fair to brush the dust from off its wings. In this second stanza, poet rejoices with the memory of the days gone by when he and his sisters, the Emmelines, would chase a butterfly. Like a hunter, the poet would leap to catch the butterfly And when the butterfly would fly, he would follow it through the bushes. On the other hand, his sisters would be scared to even touch the wings of the butterfly. या दुसऱ्या कडव्यामध्ये कवी सांगतात की त्यांच्या आयुष्यातील सर्वात चांगले दिवस हे त्यांच्या बहिणीसोबत त्यांनी घालवलेले दिवस होते. म्हणून कवीची जी बहीण होती इमेलाईन आणि कवी दोघेही करमणूक व आनंद मिळवण्यासाठी फुलपाखराच्या मागे नेहमी धावत असत. कवी चपळाईने उडी मारून फुलपाखराला पकडत असे, परंतु कवीला झुडपावर व छोट्या रोपट्यांवर उडी मारता येत असे. मात्र कवीची जी बहीण होती ही फुलपाखराच्या जवळही जायला घाबरायची, त्याचबरोबर त्याला स्पर्श करायलाही घाबरत असे. Central idea of this poem. The speaker of the poems means here a poet himself is a grown-up person who looks back to his childhood days. The sigh of a butterfly reminds him to a pleasant childhood days he spent together with his sisters, the chasing butterflies on the countryside. This is a theme of the poem. Here, William Wordsworth is addressing the lines to a butterfly which reminds him of his childhood. The poem is reflections of the poet past, the happy days spent with his sisters. Here, the butterfly becomes a symbol of a poet's childhood. This idea is a convey in the line, historians of my infancy. The use of imaginary in the poems create vivid images in the reader's mind that helps to relate to the poems on a more personal level. Thank you, student. We will meet soon in our next lecture. Our next lecture topic is 3.4, Think Before You Speak.